Hey everybody, my name's
Mike,
and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for checking it out. I hope you enjoy it and get some entertainment out of it and come back. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much. Can't believe somebody actually is interested enough in what I do that I'm interesting enough to watch again, but thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this. This is a piece of walnut that I turned into a little vase. Had no intention of it actually being this shape, to be honest, but you'll see the blank was kind of weird shaped. So that's the way it turned out. This is a piece of cherry that I used some black cherry stain on. As you know, cherry is a fairly light wood. It doesn't look like anything like furniture, but anyway. This is a piece of oak burl. I just put some polyurethane on it to shine it up a little bit. That's really all I did to it, besides cutting it off and cutting it, making it flat. I didn't do anything for shaping, or just figured it like a interesting looking little base. I like it, and stick around and I'll show you how I did it. Try this. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but yeah, not bad. Guess I could have fixed my hair for you this morning, couldn't I? It's not what you're here for anyway. Alright, well, I think I'm ready to put these together. Don't really know how I feel about how it turned out. From the side, it looks okay. But there, not so much. Problem was, I had to get the right angle, I didn't have the right mold. So I used a funnel, and the funnel didn't give. Funnel wouldn't give me enough angle, so I tried to file it down and sand it so it would fit in there. So like I said, from the side it looks okay, but I don't like that. But what are you gonna do? So we'll see how it all fits together. So I had this piece of walnut I made into this little vase, and I cast some resin from a funnel, and I put some blue embossing powder in there to make it look like water. Then I turned a smaller vase out of cherry. I stained it with some black cherry. I just barely drilled in a little because originally it was going to be just these two. I was afraid this wouldn't have enough weight to hold it all up. I drilled out just a little bit and I put the blue epoxy in there, but you can't really see it. This is part of that oak burl I got from my stepdad. So put it to use. I love the way this stuff smells. Probably not a good thing, but probably should have let it thicken up a little bit first, but I don't think that's going to work. I think it's going to have to. What do you think? Alright, well, aside from the front there that does not look very good at all, I think it turned out alright overall. I'm kind of happy with it. You know, I think I like this one more than any of them, aside from the obvious I already pointed out. But what do you think? You like it? Any comments, suggestions, things I can do better, differently? If so, let me know. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.